Hello friends, welcome my YouTube channel that is Oral Chemistry. Today I will take a discussing about another important effect that is resonance effect or mesomeric effect in organic chemistry. I will take another basic concept that is resonance effect or mesomeric effect. What is resonance effect? Okay, simply what is resonance effect? This resonance effect is produce the polarity in the any molecule. That is that polarity the interaction between that's polarity, the interaction between two pi bonds or one pi bond and one lone pair of electrons is present on the adjacent atom of that same compound, and this effect is mainly transmitted through the chains, and this effect is mainly occurs in the significance or double bonds or conjugated system. Okay, simply what is the resonance effect? This resonance effect is the polarity produced in the molecule by the interaction between two pi bonds, or one pi bond and one lone pair is present on the adjacent of the atom. Okay, and this resonance effect is mainly transmitted through the chains, and this effect is mainly occurs in the double bond conjugated systems or conjugated systems compounds. This is the resonating effect, and you can understand this resonating effect. I give you an examples and what are the classifications of this resonance effect. That is the definition of the resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Now we are going to discussing about what are the classification of resonance effect. Before we are going to classification of resonance effect or mesomeric effect, I give you a trick in this which helps in the resonance effect or mesomeric effect. I give you a small trick. We are see this trick. What is the trick? Bond is converted into. This is the trick. Bond is converted into electrons. Electrons is converted into bond, or electrons is converted into bond, or bond is converted into electrons. Okay, this is the small trick, that is the mantra. This is the I name this trick. This is the mantra. Please note down this formula. Bond is converted into electrons, or electrons is converted into bond. Okay, this is the small trick which helps in the resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Now we are going to discussing about classification of resonance effect. What are the classifications of resonance effect or mesomeric effect? Resonance effect can be classified into two types. First one is positive resonance effect or positive R effect, and second one is that is negative resonance effect. This is the positive resonance effect and negative resonance effect. These are the classification of resonance effect or mesomeric effect. First of all, we are going to discussing about positive resonance effect. Okay, simply what is the positive resonance effect? This classification of resonance effect or mesomeric effect. First of all, first one, that is positive resonance effect. We are going to discussing this first one, positive resonance effect or positive R effect. Simply, what is the positive resonance effect? If the substituents or electron donating groups are attaching with the conjugated system, or simply if the substituents are donating the electrons to the conjugated system, okay, is called as positive resonance effect. Simply, positive resonance effect is nothing but if the substituents are electron donating groups are tendency to electrons are donated to the conjugated systems is called as positive resonance effect. For example, we are going to some substituents for some groups are, some example groups are OH group and chlorine. These are the electron donating groups, OH, chlorine and NH2. These are the electron donating groups. Okay, for I give you an example, you can understand what is the resonance effect. Okay, you can see the conical structures or resonant form structures. We are using these groups in the resonating structures. Okay, I give you an example. You can see, you can understand the resonating structure. What is positive resonance effect? we can take a benzene ring, that is conjugated system, attaching with an electron donating group, that is OH group. That is, here you can see this structure. This is the OH attacking with benzene, that is phenol. We can take an example. These are the lone pairs are present on the electron donating group. You can see. Okay, you can remember that trick, that is mantra. Electron converts into bond, or bond is converted into electrons. You can remember, we are using that mantra. Okay, here this electron is converted into bond, this bond is converted into electrons. We are using this mantra. You can see this. Okay, here this bond is converted into electrons, and here a positive charge takes place. Okay, this electrons converted into bond, and bond is converted into electrons. Same, this electrons is converted into bond, and bond is converted into electrons. Electron is converted to bond, bond is converted to electrons. Same, electron is converted into bond, bond is converted into electrons. Another structure, another complex structure. You can see. These electrons converted into bond, and bond is converted into electrons. Finally, you can get the same compound in the resonating structures or conical structures. We are getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are getting a 5 conical structures or 5 resonating structures. We are using a compound, that is electron donating group with benzene conjugated system. These electrons, which substituted are tendency to electrons from functional group to conjugated system. Donating the electrons from the functional group to the conjugated system is called a positive resonance effect or positive mesomeric effect. This is the one of the example of resonance effect or positive resonance effect. Okay, you can understand this positive resonance effect. You can see this resonating structures. There are 5 structures, 5 resonating structures. We observe this structure. Benzene has benzene with OH. Here benzene has C6H6. So benzene has 6 carbons here, but these conical structures are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. That is one less than carbon containing structures we are getting in resonating structures. Okay, you can understand briefly this positive resonance effect. Okay, now we are going to negative resonance effect. Now we can see the negative resonance effect. That is the we can see what is resonance effect or what is negative resonance effect. Negative R effect or negative resonance effect. You can see what is negative resonance effect or what is negative mesomeric effect. We have simply defined this negative resonance effect. If the substituted group which pulling the electrons from the conjugated system or double bonded conjugated compound is called as negative resonance effect. Simply, what is negative resonance effect or negative mesomeric effect? If the substituted group is electrons are pulling the electrons from the conjugated system is called as negative resonance effect. That substituted groups or some groups are given examples. For example, some groups. Okay, some examples: NO2 and CHO and COOH. These 3 are electron withdrawing groups. Those substituent groups are called as electron withdrawing groups. Okay, electrons are pulling from the conjugated system. Okay, is called as negative resonance effect or negative mesomeric effect. Okay, you can see the some of one of the example this negative resonance effect. For example, you can take we take a nitrobenzene. We can take a nitrobenzene. Here a nitrogen having a positive, because of nitrogen having valence is 3. Here we are remembering same mantra, that is bond is converted into electrons, electrons is converted into bond. Here bond is converted into electrons, and here this bond is also converted into bond or electrons. This bond is converted into electrons and this bond is converted into here. Okay, it forms this type of structure, it getting a positive charge. Here bond is converted into electrons, this type of structure takes place, and here it forms, here this bond is migration here, and we form this type of conical structure, forms this type of structure. Here it forms a positive charge, nitrogen having always positive charge. Okay, are you understand? Here also this bond is migration here, and it getting this type of structure, a positive charge getting, and it forms this type of conical structure. Okay, are you understand? Last one, here again similarly takes place, this electrons converted into bond, this bond is converted into electrons. Okay, this electron is converted into bond, this bond is migration here takes place, and finally it forms our required product, nitrobenzene is formed. Again same structure it forms. Okay, this is the negative resonance effect. You can understand this negative resonance effect, how it is forms conical structures or resonating structures. You can take place in a negative resonance effect. Okay, you can understand. I hope you can understand this resonance effect or mesomeric effect. What is the resonance effect or mesomeric effect definition? Clearly you can understand. Okay, and I give you a trick, that is mantra, electrons converted to bond is converted to electrons. We are using which are helps in this resonance classifications. Or resonance classifications are two types. They are a positive resonance effect or negative resonance effect. Okay, these two types of resonance effects which are more helps in the we are getting the resonating stabilizing energy. We can observe this resonance effect. I hope you can understand this resonance effect. Thank you.